Beautiful.
Choco!
Choco is with her friends.
Oh no, his Karoma.
Yeah.
She got pregnant once, but mom gave it to our janitor.
To Joanne. Yeah, they told me yesterday. She has only one child.
No, she has many.
Many?
Boy, girl. Mostly like 5 kids.
Your mother told me it's only one.
She's lying.
Many? Really?
My cat keeps getting pregnant.
Yeah. Because they are like street cats.
Like this. She's always like
But
this.
like, is she a breeding?
The yearning woman.
That's their ano.
Can you tell her the story about the yearning woman?
What's that?
Or like, it's about a Japan woman. Like, it's a young woman.
A story, a story.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah. A long time ago, there was a Japan woman.
A Japanese woman.
Yeah, and then she was very pretty.
Okay.
So much rich man.
Skin white, pink cheek. I mean,
Like
rosy cheeks and pink lips,
yeah.
and hair black as void.
Oh,
And then
what happened?
one day, so much rich man asked to her, "Will you marry me?" But she never said yes.
Okay.
The only thing she got her eyes on was the guy on the lake.
Oh. So what's the job of the guy of the lake? On the lake?
Yeah, he just lives in the lake.
Okay.
Not a mermaid, just a normal man with long hair. And yeah,
I will post it to my YouTube channel and we will watch it later.
You have a YouTube channel.
Of course.
Are you videoing?
Of course.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you, I'm going to post it later and we will watch it on the TV.
But
It's a big
the
screen.
Yeah.
You're gonna watch your there is the right side.
And then
Yeah,
the
okay.
man, he didn't really have pants. He just have like a skirt thing. Of
Okay.
course, he's poor.
Bro, like a yukata.
Huh?
Like in Japanese, like men wear a yukata, which is like a robe here, and then a long sleeve cloth, which is the upper, and then like it's like a dress. It only comes.
I'm not really into Japanese.
And then
Only Naruto.
I love Japan. Bro, I love Japan. Bro, I love
and one
Japan.
day, the man also liked the girl.
Okay.
And the
Later.
girl also liked the man.
Okay.
But way more deeper. But what the girl didn't notice, something happened to her really bad.
Oh, what
What did the
happened?
man do to her? I forgot. Could you tell her?
So like the woman ran in the woods, like in the short clip, and then like the man killed her in the woods.
Oh my God,
With
that's
a giant hammer.
oh.
You know, basically maybe she's like like an urban Japanese legend.
Oh my
Yeah, and
God,
then
it's so sad.
When she like that,
And she
kind
died, and then like her face was like black and torn off.
Oh my
like
God.
flesh is
Yeah,
falling out in her
and
body.
then her soul looked at the mirror, but her eyes was already red.
Oh no.
From crying.
So I think that the guy is a psychotic person.
Yeah, maybe like you will never know what's his like inside. You know.
Yeah, inside his head. So it is
And, like,
somewhat
maybe,
like
like,
a
the
warning to
soul-
us girls that we didn't know the inside.
That's why I
Diba?
keep telling everyone that men are not to be trusted.
Yeah, they could sometimes be a monster. Okay, so what's the title of that?
The yearning
Epic.
woman.
Yearning. Okay. And that's sad. I thought it's gonna be a happy ending. I was I was thinking of a love story really. But it's
We're not into laughing things.
okay.
We're not into lagging things.
We hate romance, but like not romance.
Okay. So it's kind of real ano
Yes.
situation. Okay, thank you for today. You
Bye
are
guys. Let's say bye.
say bye.
Post it in your
Okay.
bar.
Later.
Be a Demon Slayer fan.